Alright guys, so I am doing a pre-recorded video. So you will just have to, you don't have to like hashtag or anything. Because if you're watching this, you're watching a replay because it's not a live video. But I still would love for you to share the video. That is such a huge help. I'm just going to do my makeup and we're just going to talk through a few things that's going on right now. So yesterday I did a neutral look with a bold lip, and so we're going to kind of do a little similar look this morning. Just something simple, nothing super bold, anything crazy. I wanted to do some spray foundation today. I did the stick yesterday. No contouring. It's Saturday. It is so windy. It's not even funny. So I don't know what you guys have got going on today, but it is a cold, windy, messy day. Like, it's just so bad. So a couple things. We have some amazing deals coming up really soon. So I had shared that if you guys wanted access to those deals, to let me know. So in the comments, if you're interested in being in my Black Friday group, those sales are going to be launching really soon. It's a one-day grab. So if it's got anything in it that you're interested in, or if there's a combination of items that you could split up and give for gifts, like this is going to be the time to do it because the deals are going to be amazing. So you're going to want to get on top of that. Let me know if you're interested in being a part of that. Also, free shipping for anyone who is a current customer or who has purchased in the past. And then 10% off your order if you are a first-time customer. So those are all really good deals that I'm offering this month. So there, first thing I always put on is my hydrating primer. It's really good if you have any sort of combination type skin. So that is my first step. My next step is going to be some concealer to just cover up some of the redness that I have going on right now. Puffy eyes, you know, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to blend in some of this to cover. So those deals right now, you're definitely going to want to snag the free shipping. Guys, that's a really, really great deal. As well as the 10% off. I mean, 10% off your entire order if you order through me. So jump on those two things quickly because the month is almost over. And then this month we have our anniversary deal right now. You can get a quad palette, eyeshadow palette of your choice of 4 colors. And you get this really cute packaging with the beautiful glitter case, with the purple, of course. And then you also get our epic mascara in that anniversary packaging, or you can get the 4D or the waterproof, but it's just not going to have the beautiful glitter on it. If you've not tried our mascara, this is a great time to do that, or if you're needing a refill, this is a great time to do it because those two things together are 20% off in that bundle, and you get a free makeup bag that is adorable. And it's purple with all of our products on the front. So if you are interested in our bundle, give me a comment below, November kudos or whatever, so I can get that to you. Free shipping applies to that. So just know that you can add that to your free shipping. I did a little bit of the business-like pink liquid eyeshadow today, and then I'm going to do our spray foundation, which is full coverage, lightweight foundation. You can spray it on your face if you want to, but it's so much better to just spray it on your brush or your blending bud and then go from there, because that way you know you're getting all that coverage. So I'm just gonna blend it all in. I may take a little bit and blend with my bud as well. It does not take much at all, and it's so lightweight. If you've ever used our liquid, you know that it has that matte finish. This has a little bit of that, but not like the liquid. So it gives you that coverage, it gives you the lightweight feel, but you don't have the added matte finish that you would if you were doing the liquid. So just know that that is a really good product as well. I'm going to use a little bit of our blush. So when I don't contour, I just, you know, put on my blush first, and then I do always kind of add a little bit of bronzer for just some color, even if I don't plan to like fully contour. So I just take like my stipple brush that's just really fluffy, and then just do a little bit of color on there because it is winter. We skipped fall and went straight to winter. So it just helps to add a little bit of color to my face. And then I'm going to set it. As our wonderful setting spray that you should also try. And then our brow pencil. We have 3 different shades in this, but if you get our quad palette, we can get a brown or whatever color you need that would match your eyebrows. So then you could use your quad palette for your eyeshadow, your eyebrows, all of the above. And I love how you can tell like how it's just really filling in those eyebrows. Apparently, at some point, this one got a little, I don't know, got a little thin on the end there. So I might have to fluff that up a little bit because that's definitely uneven. Okay, that's a little bit better. I don't know what's going on with my eyebrows. All right, so I did that pink on my eyeshadow or on my lid. So I'm gonna do a little bit of this in the, right under my brow bone to highlight. I'm gonna add a little bit of this in my corner. And then this, actually I'm gonna do this on the, I don't know. I'm gonna go back with the purple on the outside. I thought about using that for lipstick, but I think I'm just gonna, and I'm not gonna put a bunch of this orange. I just want more of the shimmer than I want of the color. This is an amazing fall palette, and this is definitely one that you can do a full face with. You could do, you have your highlighter here, you have your contouring here, you have your blush, lipstick, and your eyeshadow all in one palette. So that's the beauty of these quad palettes and all the versatility of it, is that you can literally pack your primer, your foundation, your setting powder, your mascara, and your quad palette, and then that is all you need for your entire face. So definitely you're going to want to grab this palette or grab this deal while it is available. And I'm just going to do, wasn't going to do much of a bold look, but I kind of feel like we're headed that way. So, oh well. Why blend in when we were born to stand out, right? And I just hardly even put anything on that brush. I just want it to, and I hardly put up pressure when I'm doing that. Just, it's really a lightweight blend just to kind of get the color on there, but not anything crazy. All right, so I'm going to do a little bit of lipstick. I'm going to do some lip liner, but y'all, it is already, I have this bad habit of, that is definitely eyeliner. I just about put it on my lips. I have this bad habit of licking my lips really bad in the winter, so they're already starting to chap, which is crazy because I feel like that should not be happening yet. So, all right. And sometimes if you put that chapstick on first and really moisturize your lips, you don't have to do as much with the lining because it's going to blend easily. This is like all-time favorite lipstick. It is such a good neutral. I love that color. All right, let's do a little bit of eyeliner. All right, and then I always usually have to do a little bit of touch up. Making sure it's even. And our lash primer, we have specials where these two products are combined together, as well as we have a combination lash serum, which is what you can put on at night or just during the day when you're not going to be wearing any makeup to help the growth of your eyelashes. And I mean, I don't use it every single day. I have used it a few times and I can tell a difference. So I know if I was consistent, I would really be able to tell a difference, but I really need to take it out of my makeup drawer and put it in with my face wash and stuff like that, because then I would see it every night. I don't see it when I'm doing all my nighttime stuff. So, and then our 4D mascara, which is another amazing product that if you have not tried, this is one of the things that I suggest, like for your first purchase, is to be our mascara. So, I have super light lashes. They're not terribly thin. They're just super light, and I'm clearly all over the place. So if you have that issue, you're going to want to try this mascara. If you have super thick lashes and you don't need the volume, or super dark, super long lashes, our Epic is really good. But I just feel like everybody should have a little bit of volume 4D in their life. So if you have not tried our 4D mascara, or you are ready for your refill, because some of my friends that are watching, it is time for a refill, go ahead and snag that while you can get the free shipping. If you're doing your refill or a returning customer. If you are not, and you've never had it before, snag it while you can get 10% off. So, Y'all, I don't even know what is going on outside with this wind. Like, it is severely scary sounding. Like the way our house, this side of the house sits out, it just kind of whips around, so it sounds terrible. Makes you definitely not want to get out. Two coats, and it is all volume, y'all, all volume. And it takes a little bit of a process to, you know, kind of figure out how to get it to work on your lashes. Everybody's is different, but I suggest kind of cleaning off that brush just a little bit and then going from there with your eyeliner or your mascara. And I'm just gonna kind of get any of this that might have gotten down underneath. All right, y'all. There is my quick look for today. A little bit of sassy color here. Amazing volume on the eyeliner, or yeah, the mascara. So definitely need to get you some. So if you're interested in the free shipping, because you're a returning customer, let me know. If you are interested in getting 10% off because you've never tried a product, let me replace one item in your makeup bag. I promise you won't be disappointed. We can do skincare, we can do makeup removal, like our cleansing cloths or our liquid makeup removal, concealer, foundation, like one product. Let me replace one item in your makeup bag or your skincare routine and change your life with it, I promise. If you're interested in our special this month, comment below November Kudos. We can pick colors based off of your personality. We can pick colors based off of colors you like to wear, eye color, any of that. And you're gonna get this amazing bag that is so good, such a good bag, great size. You're gonna get a quad palette in this beautiful glitter purple case. And we can pick these 4 colors, so we can make it where you can use this for an entire face. You can have a contour brow shadow color, you can have a highlighting color, you can have your eyeshadows, we can make a lipstick or a blush color in there. And you also get the Epic in this beautiful anniversary color purple glitter tube, or you can get the 4D or the waterproof. So you guys let me know. As always, I appreciate your business. I appreciate you guys watching videos, sharing videos, and just being a part of this journey with me. But just know that if you have any questions, reach out to me. That's what I'm here for, to answer questions, to help you find products that you like, you love, you need, and that give you just a little bit of boost of confidence from time to time, because everybody, you know, there's always that one makeup item that we just really love and could not live without. And I kind of want to take that and replace it with one of ours. So give me some comments, share the video, you know, random giveaways happening for sharing. You never know what might pop up in your mailbox for just being a valued customer and just a participant in the page. So have a wonderful day, guys. Stay warm and hopefully dry. I'm not sure if it's raining this weekend, but all right. Bye.